Ayukta Nashik Mahanagarpalika Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD CEO, NSE, and Shri Atul Kumar Mittal, MD AK Capital Services. So ladies and gentlemen, at the very outset, could I request Srimati Himgauri Ahirji, the Mayor of Nashik, to kindly welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra with a memento on behalf of the Nashik Municipal Corporation. Let us hear it loud, ladies and gentlemen. आदराचं आणि सन्मानाचं प्रतीक याचा स्वीकार झालेला आहे आणि आता on behalf of NSE, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan will present a memento to the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Kindly accept this memento as a token of love, appreciation and gratitude, sir. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a mini replica of the iconic bull and common people which is in the porch outside. And here is a mini replica of the iconic NSE bell that has been placed behind and which will be struck in a very, very short time from now. Thank you. धन्यवाद. आणि आता कार्यक्रमाचं प्रास्ताविक करतील एक कुशल प्रशासक आणि कार्यसिद्ध अधिकारी श्रीमती मनीषा खत्री मॅडम, आयुक्त नाशिक महानगरपालिका.
Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji, distinguished dignitaries on the dais, representatives from financial community, respected officials from the National Stock Exchange of India, and my respected seniors and other esteemed guests, a very good morning to everyone. Today marks a very proud and historic day for the city of Nashik and Nashik Municipal Corporation, as we have successfully listed our 200 crore green municipal bond public issue, which is a milestone in our journey towards strengthening sustainable urban infrastructure through market-based financing. As we all know that we had raised another issue, that was a private placement during November-December of 2025. So this is a second issue, which is a public issue, and the oversubscription for this issue has crossed the previous issue. So this is a great success and a feat for the corporation. This time we have been oversubscribed by 5.24 times compared to 3.95 times of the private issue. Also, Nashik Municipal Corporation is the first corporation to have been able to do successfully both public and private issues within the same financial year, and that too in less than 8 months. So that is also a marker of how much hard work has gone from the team of corporation in this. I would also want to mention the project that we have undertaken under this green bond issue. So the project is regarding augmentation of water supply scheme through Mukne water treatment plant and allied works. This project, along with the other projects that we are proposing to take under MUREP funding from being facilitated by Mitra, would help decrease our non-revenue water losses from around 47% to around 15 to 20%, which is the global standard. And we are at the last end of achieving this goal through this project, and further we expect a lot of hand-holding and help from the Mitra team as well regarding the projects that are to be taken for future. So as we see that the investments for Nashik are particularly important, given that we are preparing for the upcoming Sinhastha Kumbh Mela, which is one of the largest spiritual gatherings, and this taking up of this project and raising of these bonds proves that the financial prudent decisions that have been taken to reduce the burden of the state government by taking help of the incentives from the central government, like Amrut incentive, Urban Challenge Fund, and also other incentives, which would help us make this green bond issue almost interest-free, which would again be a great achievement for the corporation. And it has come just at the right time, as we also saw in the speech of the Honorable Finance Minister of Government of India. So this, as I just mentioned, the figures around the interest that we are going to bear for next 10 years is around 104 crore, which is being offset by the Urban Challenge Fund grants, which are to the tune of around 96 crores, and the Amrut Incentive Grant, which is around 20 crores, and also the accumulated interest over the next few years for the escrow that we are keeping, which is around 50 crores. So this all accumulates to around 168 crore against the interest payout that is is just 104 crore. So it's a very beneficial, like a steel deal for the corporation that we have been able to achieve. And in this endeavor, I would like to thank our lead manager, AK Capital Services Limited, our legal advisors, MV Kinney Law Firm, and all other intermediaries whose expertise and support were instrumental in making this bond successful. I would also like to thank Honorable Kumbh Mela Minister Shri Girish Mahajan ji for giving us constant guidance and support for taking up this bold and innovative initiative. And this achievement demonstrates that with strong governance, transparency, and prudent financial management, cities can effectively leverage capital markets to build resilient and sustainable urban infrastructure. Thank you so much.
थँक यू मनीषा मॅम फॉर दी इनिशियल ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स. आपण दिलेल्या माहिती करता धन्यवाद. आणि आत्ताच आपल्याकडे कुंभमेळा मंत्री माननीय श्रीयुत गिरीश महाजनजी यांचं आगमन झालेलं आहे. मी मनीषा मॅमना विनंती करते की त्यांनी मानचिन्ह देऊन त्यांचं या ठिकाणी स्वागत करावं. स्वागत आहे सर. And now I would request Shri Ashish sir to please welcome and felicitate Shri Girish Mahajan, Honorable Minister Kumbh Mela, with a memento on behalf of NSE. I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, NSE, to kindly address this August gathering on this highly significant and equally joyous occasion. Sir.
Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji, Honorable Minister Government of Maharashtra, Shri Girish Mahajan ji, Honorable Shri Praveen Pardesi ji, Srimati Hima Gauri Aher ji, Shri Vilas Singde ji, Shri Ashim Gupta ji, Sushri Manisha Khatri ji, Shri A.K. Mittal ji, respected Chief Secretaries, Principal Secretaries, and senior officials of the Government of Maharashtra, distinguished dignitaries, representatives of Nashik Municipal Corporation, esteemed investors, market participants, ladies and gentlemen. We gather here today for an important milestone for Nashik and for Maharashtra's urban finance, but we do so with a sense of great pride that next 2 years, Nashik is going to be the center of attention. And we have an able leader in Shri Girish Mahajan ji. And of course, we have a very active team from the administration and also now from the mayor and others. That next 2 years are going to be very important. We have to put our best foot forward to not only India but to the world, that we can organize a very large event at the Kumbh Mela going forward. And these are, in a way, pre-preparations for that. I can vouch for the amount of enthusiasm both the political leadership and also the administration has shown in raising funds for this great occasion. A special warm welcome, already warmth has started with summer coming in, and we saw that at the Bull. A special warm welcome to Honorable Chief Minister Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji for his great leadership. NSE had the privilege of hosting you on many occasions, but it is especially meaningful to welcome you today as we mark a Maharashtra urban local body raising funds through the capital markets and celebrate the listing of Nashik Municipal Corporation's second municipal bond issuance and Maharashtra's first public issue of green municipal bonds and India's third public green municipal bond issuance after Indore and Surat. Under your leadership, Maharashtra continues to strengthen its position as India's leading investment destination. Your focus on infrastructure and urban transformation across transport, connectivity, and civil services has laid the foundation for projects that can now be financed transparently and efficiently through the markets. For NSE, this progress has a special resonance because Maharashtra and NSE share a common growth story. NSE's unique registered investor base has now crossed 12.7 crore unique investors with more than 25 crore overall accounts and 2 crore unique investors now from Maharashtra alone. 1/6 of all investors in India are in Maharashtra now, the highest for any state. Now let me warmly congratulate Nashik Municipal Corporation on this important achievement. Nashik, as I said, holds a very special place in India's spiritual, cultural, and economic landscape. It's one of our holiest cities, associated with the Kumbh Mela on the banks of the sacred Godavari River, while also being an important center for industry, agriculture, and enterprise. Nashik Municipal Corporation has achieved a notable distinction by becoming the first municipal corporation to access the bond market through both a private placement and a public issue in the same financial year. This reflects both the institutional capacity and financial preparedness of the highest order. I would like to specially congratulate Mayor Him Gauri Ahirji, Deputy Mayor Shindeji, and Commissioner Srimati Khatriji and their entire team for this significant accomplishments. The issue with the base size of 100 crore rupees and a green shoe option of another rupees 100 crore received an excellent response and was subscribed 5.46 times. This successful issuance reflects institutional preparedness, investor confidence, and the growing willingness of Indian cities to use transparent market-based financing for urban development. This issue is also important to the broader context of India's municipal bond market. India's municipal bond market journey was kick-started by Maharashtra, with Pune becoming the first municipal corporation to raise funds through the capital markets. Since then, India has seen 31 municipal bond issuances, raising 4,540 crores. In financial year 26 alone, 14 issuances have already raised 1,756 crore. This shows that the municipal bonds are steadily emerging as a credible route for financing urban infrastructure. The Union Budget 26-27 has given support to this space. The Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharamanji, has proposed an incentive of rupees 100 crore for a single municipal bond issuance of over 1,000 crore by large cities, while the Amrut-linked incentive for issuances up to 200 crore will continue for smaller and medium towns. This is an important signal that municipal finance is moving into the mainstream of India's development agenda as envisioned by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. We at NSE remain committed to build the financial guardrails for India's growth, including through instruments such as municipal bonds and green bonds that support better urban infrastructure and more sustainable development. In last calendar year alone, NSE raised more than 20 lakh crore rupees. And this is a beginning for municipal bond market for me. We can raise more than 20 lakh crore a year, and 2,000 crore a year is just the beginning for all the municipalities put together. So they have to come up to speed, and I'm sure now all municipalities in Maharashtra will start following Nashik's example and coming to public for raising funds. We are proud to provide Nashik Municipal Corporation and all other municipal corporations in Maharashtra access to broad investor base and to a market ecosystem that is fair, efficient, transparent, and trusted. Once again, thank you to all the respected dignitaries for being with us today. We at NSE are committed to Maharashtra's growth, city by city, project by project, bond by bond. Today truly feels like a new chapter is beginning for Nashik, for Maharashtra, and for India. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
AK Capital Service Limited. And Shri Vikram Thirani Care Analytics and Advisory Private Limited, third-party review for green projects. Could we have you gentlemen onto the stage, please? In the meanwhile, why have we stopped clapping? Can we hear that loud? Ladies and gentlemen, it is only befitting to say that Maharashtra is fortunate to be under the stewardship of a man who has not only transformed the state's developmental landscape, but also empowered its economic future. Devendraji's decisions and initiatives have powered the state's strengthening. Please start clapping as I invite the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendraji Fadnavis, for his address and guidance.
माझे सहकारी आणि राज्याचे जलसंपदा मंत्री आणि कुंभ मंत्री श्री गिरीश महाजनजी, नाशिक महानगरपालिकेच्या नाशिक शहराच्या महापौर श्रीमती हिमगौरी अहेर, श्री प्रवीण परदेसी, श्री असीम गुप्ता, श्री आशीष कुमार चौहान, श्री अतुल कुमार मित्तल, श्री मच्छिंद्र सानप, श्रीमती मनीषा खत्री, श्री शेखर सिंह, श्री जलज शर्मा, श्रीमती करिश्मा नायर, श्रीकर परदेशी, या ठिकाणी उपस्थित सर्व महानगरपालिकेचे नगरसेवक आणि उपस्थित सर्व भगिनी आणि बंधूंनो, नाशिक महानगरपालिकेचं मी अतिशय मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो की एकाच वर्षात दुसऱ्यांदा म्युनिसिपल बॉन्ड्सचा इशू महानगरपालिकेच्या माध्यमातून या ठिकाणी काढण्यात आला आहे आणि आता पब्लिक इशूच्या माध्यमातून नाशिक महानगरपालिका आपल्या कुंभच्या प्रोजेक्ट्स करता आणि नागरी विकासाच्या विविध प्रोजेक्ट्स करता म्युनिसिपल बॉन्ड्सच्या माध्यमातून पैसे रेस करते आहे. आपल्या देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदीजी यांचा सातत्याने आग्रह राहिला आहे की महानगरपालिकांनी म्युनिसिपल बॉन्ड मार्केट ॲक्सेस केलं पाहिजे, त्याचा उपयोग केला पाहिजे आणि बॉन्ड्सच्या माध्यमातून निधी उभा करून लोकोपयोगी जे प्रकल्प आहेत हे प्रकल्प पूर्ण केले पाहिजे. आणि त्याकरता केंद्र सरकारच्या माध्यमातून अशा बॉन्ड्सला सपोर्ट करणारी योजना देखील केंद्र सरकारने घोषित केली. पहिल्या टप्प्यामध्ये 200 कोटी रुपयापर्यंतचे बॉन्ड्स हे काढण्याकरता मान्यता दिली होती आणि त्याचं यश पाहता आत्ता नुकतंच जे बजेट निर्मलाजींनी मांडलं त्याच्यामध्ये मोदी साहेबांच्या नेतृत्वात आता 1000 कोटी रुपयापर्यंतचे म्युनिसिपल बॉन्ड्स काढण्याची मुभा ही म्युनिसिपल बॉडीजला मिळालेली आहे आणि त्याकरताचा जो इन्सेंटिव्ह होता 20 कोटीपर्यंतचा तो इन्सेंटिव्ह देखील 200 कोटीपर्यंत गेला आहे. नाशिक महानगरपालिकेचं याकरता अभिनंदन आहे की या दोन्ही टप्प्यात नाशिक महानगरपालिकेने प्रथम क्रमांक मिळवला आणि पहिले ग्रीन बॉन्ड्स प्रायव्हेट प्लेसमेंट आणि पब्लिक इश्यू दोन्ही नाशिक महानगरपालिकेने काढलेले आहेत. आणि यातला सगळ्यात मोठा फायदा हा आहे की इन्सेंटिव्ह अर्बन चॅलेंज फंड या दोन्हीच्या माध्यमातून एक प्रकारे नाशिक महानगरपालिकेला हे पैसे बिनव्याजी मिळत आहेत. कुठलेही व्याज त्याला लागणार नाही आहे. याचं कारण व्याजाचे सगळे पैसे हे केंद्र सरकारच्या योजनेतनं मिळणारा जो पैसा आहे त्यात कव्हर होत आहेत. आणि म्हणून एक प्रकारे आपली जी नेहमी मागणी असते की महानगरपालिकांना परवडणारं लोन मिळालं पाहिजे, लॉंग टर्मचं मिळालं पाहिजे, कमी व्याजदरात मिळालं पाहिजे, ते आता या बॉन्ड्समुळे शक्य होत आहे. आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट जी आयुक्तांनी या ठिकाणी सांगितली तीही फार महत्त्वाची आहे की जो प्रोजेक्ट या ठिकाणी हाती घेण्यात आलेला आहे, पहिल्यांदा तर नाशिक महानगरपालिकेकडे प्रोजेक्ट पाईपलाईन आहे, प्रोजेक्ट्स तयार आहेत आणि जो प्रोजेक्ट हातात घेण्यात आलेला आहे तोही याकरता महत्त्वाचा आहे की त्यातनं पाण्याचे लॉसेस 47% 20% खाली आणले जाणार आहेत. म्हणजे एक प्रकारे कोणी जर विचारलं की तुम्ही कर्ज घेतलं, ठीक आहे व्याजही नाही आहे, तरी डेट सर्व्हिसिंग कसं होणार आहे, तर ते या पद्धतीने होईल की हे जे लॉसेस कमी होतील, ज्याच्यावर आज कुठलाही रेव्हेन्यू महानगरपालिकेला मिळत नाही, तो रेव्हेन्यू त्यातनं मिळेल. ऑप्टिमम युटिलायझेशन ऑफ वॉटर होईल आणि योग्य प्रकारचं बिलिंग झाल्यामुळे महानगरपालिकेचा रेव्हेन्यू वाढून त्या ठिकाणी हे पैसे देखील परत करायची क्षमता ही महानगरपालिकेमध्ये उत्पन्न होणार आहे. एकूणच अर्बन गव्हर्नन्समध्ये एक अतिशय चांगला अशा प्रकारचा प्रभाव हा या बॉन्ड्सच्या माध्यमातून आणि त्यानंतर जे काही प्रकल्प त्यातनं हाती घेतले जाणार आहेत त्याच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला पाहायला मिळणार आहे. खरं तर कुंभच्या करता नाशिक महानगर क्षेत्रात खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणात आपण कामं सुरू केली आहेत. येत्या 1.5 वर्षामध्ये जवळपास 25,000 कोटी रुपयाची कामं ही नाशिक शहर आणि नाशिक महानगर क्षेत्रात होणार आहेत. नाशिकचा चेहरा पूर्णपणे बदलण्याचं काम आपण करतोय. कुंभाकरता येणाऱ्या कोट्यवधी भाविकांकरता या व्यवस्था तर महत्त्वाच्या असतीलच, पण या व्यवस्थांमुळे नाशिक महानगर हे विकसित महानगरांच्या श्रेणीमध्ये जाईल. कारण भाविक तर कदाचित 4-6 महिन्यात जेवढा काळ कुंभ चालेल तेवढा काळ येत जातील, पण जे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तयार होणार आहे ते मात्र सदा सर्वदा नाशिकच्या विकासाच्या कामामध्ये येणार आहे. आणि या इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरमुळे एक गुंतवणुकीचं चुंबक म्हणून, या ठिकाणी इन्व्हेस्टमेंट मॅग्नेट म्हणून आपल्याला पुढच्या काळामध्ये नाशिक पाहायला मिळेल. आणि म्हणूनच मला असं वाटतं की ही सगळी कामं अत्यंत महत्त्वाची आहे. नाशिक महानगरपालिकेच्या महापौर, आयुक्त, सर्व पदाधिकारी आणि अधिकाऱ्यांची टीम, आपली कुंभची सगळी टीम, या सगळ्यांचं मी मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो.